1, 2, 3, 4, hit. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit. And then you start from the beginning. Let's get started by playing something. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Something very simple. Just mute the strings with your left hand. Don't press down too hard. Just let them be dead sound. Not this, just like that. And don't play over the whole of the guitar. You want to move here, right where the fretboard is sticking out. And this is what's going to help us do all the percussive hits along with the tapa with the wood here. So this is important. This is important. Now, if I lift the guitar strings up and I place my thumb somewhere there, and I put some pressure and I slide, that's going to do a sound, right? Hitting on the top of the guitar. Try to get that sound. Quite easy, yeah? Try not to bend the finger. Just keep it back bend. Go down, go down. Now, mute the strings and try to do the same. You're going to hear a little bit of a roll first on the strings, but you will end up hearing the hit at the end. Don't worry if it comes too short, too high. That as fast as you go, the smaller the distance you'll be hitting. The slower it is, most probably you'll go more down. So that's the first hit. Now the second hit is a little bit more difficult. So I thought we added a little circle-y action. As we go down, circle the guitar up. Now the nail, this is the hard part, the back of the nail comes in contact with the fretboard. I hope you can hear it. I left the guitar unplugged so you can see that it's still very loud even if it's not plugged. So the first one, try to get a hit there. 1, 2. Now for me it's getting easier to come up and also hit some of the strings as I do it. So I'll take some force, I'll do it as slow as possible, and I have a percussive hit and also strum the guitar upwards. It's going to be painful if you haven't practiced flamenco before or playing it on steel strings. You don't want to try this on steel strings, especially if you don't have very, very hard nails and very hard skin. Now the skin is going to start feeling some pain here, so it's a procedure that might take longer. It's not to learn, but you don't want to do it for 2 hours and end up bleeding and then recovering for a month. You want to do it 3-4 minutes a day and do it after a day or two. Come back to it, your fingers, your skin will get stronger, let them heal, and you'll be able to do it. And try to get a circular action so it helps your nail from getting stuck here. Okay, so that's hit 1, that's hit 2. Now we've got 3 and 4. The third one, the index sticking out under here, I'll twist the wrist and I'll do the same as I did with the nail here. I will strum the guitar and I will press down so hard that I'm going to skip from the fretboard wood with the back of the index nail on the top. I can make it quite a loud sound. You can relax that whole hand, just try this. Usually we might be used to straightening out the fingers, but here you want to keep it bent. Pull up the strings and try it without them to get the percussive. Putting them together, practice with me. And coming back up again, we're gonna add the thumb as we did before. But the fourth time around, when you come up with the thumb, try to open up and put your fingers down. You can do a hit if you like, but maybe that takes longer. So sometimes I put the fingers, or I hit this part of the hand only, or I go with the whole thing. It makes a difference. Or, especially if it's over the soundboard, you want to do the big hand. But here for starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit. Now, the easier way to get out of this is go up with the index, down with the index. No percussive hit. So we had our 4. You can lift your hand up if you like and do the index, or keep them there if it's easier. And then you start from the beginning.